Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here's a quick rundown of the big moments from Friday's morning meeting, hosted by Jim Cramer and the CNBC Investment Club at 10:20 a.m. ET every weekday. Be sure to stick around, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on Patreon for even more exclusive content. 1. Market rally. 1. After a slow start to 2025, the market bounced back on Friday, with all 11 sectors in the S&P 500 moving higher. 2. NVIDIA led the club's holdings, rising around 4% ahead of CEO Jensen Huang's keynote at next week's CES. 2. Jim reminded everyone that while the club booked a sizable gain in NVIDIA on Thursday, there's been no change to the own it, don't trade it philosophy. 3. Apple, the only other stock with that own it, don't trade it status, slipped on concerns over iPhone sales in China. 3. The club had already trimmed its Apple position last month to manage risk. 2. Alcohol stocks in focus. 1. Alcohol stocks dipped after the U.S. Surgeon General's new advisory highlighted an increased risk of cancer from alcohol consumption. 2. Constellation Brands, maker of Corona and Modelo, fell about 1%, but Jim remains confident, emphasizing that imported Mexican beers remain a key growth segment. 3. The club sees Constellation's low valuation as already pricing in headwinds. 3. Jim also believes the company could avoid potential tariff hikes and expects free cash flow to improve as Mexican manufacturing expansions wind down. 3. Constellation reports earnings next Friday before the market opens. 3. Big banks. 1. Wells Fargo was named Deutsche Bank's top big bank pick for 2025, thanks to the potential lift of its Fed-imposed asset cap. 1. Jim is also optimistic, noting the leadership overhaul at Wells Fargo should help its case. 2. Meanwhile, Goldman Sachs was highlighted by Oppenheimer as one of its favorites, a sentiment Jim agrees with. 4. Rapid fire. 1. In a quick roundup, the club touched on JP Morgan, PulteGroup, Las Vegas Sands, Boeing, and Block, sharing insights on each as we move into the new year. That's it for our recap from Friday's show. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and join us on Patreon for more behind-the-scenes coverage and exclusive updates. See you next time.